Ever looked at your garden and thought, there's got to be a better way to do this? Well, buckle up, plant lovers. We're diving into the world of permaculture, a revolutionary approach that's all about working with nature, not against it. Prepare to transform your garden chaos into a living ecosystem that thrives all year round. Permaculture combines the art of gardening with the science of eco-friendliness. It's not just gardening, it's creating a self-sustaining ecosystem right in your backyard. This method uses the patterns and resilient features of natural ecosystems to make your garden more productive, environmentally friendly, and less demanding on you as a gardener. Developed by Aussies Bill Mollison and David Holmgren in the 1970s, permaculture isn't just about planting seeds. It's about planting ideas that grow into sustainable and ethical ways of living. These principles guide everything from crop rotation to water conservation, turning your garden into a part of the global solution to ecological degradation. Bill Mollison, the charismatic teacher whose humorous yet profound insights into nature inspired a generation, and David Holmgren, whose thoughtful designs brought permaculture into the public eye. Together, they pioneered a movement that reimagines how humans interact with the land. Imagine your garden not only looking gorgeous, but also doing the hard work for you. Permaculture designs mimic nature, meaning less labor, less watering, and more enjoying. By integrating food production, water management, and energy conservation, you're crafting a habitat that supports itself and you, while also helping to heal the planet. Ready to turn your thumb green and your garden greener? Dive into permaculture and watch your garden and your eco-conscious thrive. Hit that subscribe button for more green thumb tips, tutorials, and terrific transformations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow garden enthusiasts. Every little bit helps our planet. Keep planting, keep planning, and let's make every garden a permaculture paradise.